In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a Canva file as a PDF step by step using the latest Canva interface in 2026. This is perfect if you're creating presentations, resumes, flyers, worksheets, or any design that you want to share professionally or print. Exporting as a PDF ensures your layout stays consistent and looks polished on any device. If you're new to Canva or just want to make sure you're using the right export settings, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all of your recent designs, templates, and folders. From here, locate the file that you want to export as a PDF. This can be any Canva design, like a document, presentation, poster, or graphic. Go ahead and click on the file of your choice to open it in the editor. Once your design is open, take a moment to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Double-check text, images, alignment, and spacing, because whatever you see here is what will be exported in the final PDF. When you're ready, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens up Canva's sharing and exporting options. In the Share menu, look for the Download option and click on it. This is where Canva lets you choose how you want to export your file. After clicking Download, you'll see a File Type drop-down menu. Click on the File Type option to expand the list. Canva offers several formats, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on PDF. From the list, select PDF Standard. This option is ideal for sharing files digitally, emailing documents, or uploading PDFs online. It keeps the file size reasonable while maintaining good quality. If you need high-resolution files for professional printing, Canva also offers PDF Print, but for most everyday uses, PDF Standard works perfectly. Once PDF Standard is selected, you can review any additional options if they appear, such as selecting specific pages if your design has multiple pages. When everything is set, click on the Download button. Canva will now process your file and begin the export. You'll see a small pop-up notification in the bottom right corner of the screen showing the download progress. Once the download is complete, the PDF file will be saved to your computer's download folder. You can now open the PDF to review it, attach it to an email, upload it to a website, or share it however you like. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Canva file as a PDF in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.